Hello, a very good morning to everyone, my dear students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. It is very important chapter, dear. You will you will discuss this chapter also in higher class also. It is very useful, dear. Okay, whenever you will go in 11, 12 on higher classes, always we will face them trigonometry. Okay, it is very important chapter, dear. Okay, and if you understand it, it's very easy also. Okay, the main thing is, dear, you have to focus it. So look at trigonometry. What is meaning of trigonometry? Look at, dear, trigonometry mean it is a Greek letter. Okay, dear, trigonometry. It means tri. Tri mean three. Gon mean sides, and metry mean measurement. It means measurement of three sides. Trigonometry mean measurement of three sides. Okay, and gon mean everyone know polygon. Do you remember polygon? Gon means sides. Okay, so three sides. Otherwise, dear, you can say that trigonometry. What is trigonometry? In the other sense, you can say that in trigonometry we study about the relationship between sides and a angle in a right angle triangle. Okay, in a triangle, always in the trigonometry we will use the relationship between the sides and angles. What is the relation between angles and a side? It is a right angle triangle. Okay, dear. In the 10th class we will only use right angle triangles here. Okay, right angle triangles. Right angle mean everyone know what is right angle, and one angle is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So we will discuss in this chapter, dear, what is relation between side and angles. Okay, next is, dear, trigonometric ratios of the angle. Whose ratio? Trigonometric ratios of the angle. Ratio, everyone know what is ratio. So we will look at the ratios of the side, because in a triangle how many sides? Three sides. So their ratio AB divided by BC. It is ratio or not? AB ratio BC. Maybe AC AB. Maybe AB AC. So like this one. Okay. So ratios of the sides of a right triangle, always we will use right triangle. Okay, the ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its angle. Ratios of the side with respect to angle. Okay, dear, is called the trigonometric ratios of angles. Okay, it is only already I told you the relationship between angles and side. It is also relation. Ratios of side with respect to acute angle. What is meaning acute angle, dear? Acute angle mean an angle whose measuring is less than 90. Everyone know, because here we are discussing about right angle. If it is 90, so sum of these two angles is how much? 90. So it means if it is 1 degree, it is 89. So both are acute or not? It is possible it is 0 degree, no? That is 1, it is 89. It is 2, it is 88. It is 2, it is 88. So both are acute angle or not? So with respect to its acute angle, it is called trigonometric ratio. Okay, dear. Look at, these are the two figures. I make a triangle ABC, and it is right angle at B. This angle is named angle A. Suppose we are using only angle A. Look at. Tell me, dear, everyone know from the starting of the 6th class, many times I have already told you, always opposite of 90 degree, what is? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse or not? Opposite of 90 degree. Okay? Now, it is angle A or not? And opposite of this side, what is side? A, B, C. So we will say that this side is side opposite to angle A. Because look at here, this side is opposite of which angle? Angle A. So we write it, the side opposite to angle A. And what you said, What you tell? This side AB. Yes. Look at AB side is made by angle A or not? Including AB and angle both are included or not? So we will say that adjacent. Adjacent means everyone know both are near. So which one are near? So side AB is near to angle A or not? Angle A or not? So this side name you can say that side adjacent to angle A. Look at here. One more. Or maybe angle A is here and it is C. Now what is name of this side? Side of opposite to angle A. देखो, if it is A is here, then opposite side this one. Okay, opposite. But here side it is adjacent to angle A. So now side opposite to angle A. Now you understand which one side is opposite of angle. Opposite of angle A. This side. Side BC. Okay dear? And side adjacent to angle A. It is. Understand dear? Maybe we can write like this one also dear. Not only in respect of, with respect to only one angle. You can write angle C here. It is angle C. Now this side. Side opposite to, not adjacent. Not adjacent na? Because this is the side opposite to angle C. Side adjacent to angle C. Adjacent to angle C. Because now we are taking which one side? Angle. We are taking now angle C. So only we have to focus on which angle we are taking. Okay dear? Understand? Note down it. Now we will discuss later. Okay? Note down it. Now dear, look at. It is very important. Please focus on that. Okay? Please watch the video 1, 2 or 3 times. It's very important. Look at. Everyone know. Here we are discussing only right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. And do you heard the some name? Perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Many times we will say na. In the lower classes I say it is perpendicular, it is base and it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, perpendicular and base, how to find? Look at here. Always one thing. Opposite of 90, it is hypotenuse. What is? So always you can write what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree dear. Look at. What is perpendicular? Very important. Perpendicular is always dear opposite to angle. Opposite to angle. Okay? Opposite of angle, yeah, opposite. What is opposite to angle? Suppose dear, look at here. If we are taking angle A, only if we are talking about angle A, so opposite of angle A, what is? Opposite of angle which side? BC. So it is perpendicular. It is perpendicular. So in always in every triangle, perpendicular, hypotenuse, and what is remain? It is base. Okay? Only one thing you have to remember. Perpendicular mean opposite to angle. Opposite to angle. Opposite to angle. Suppose now we are talking about here angle C. What is angle? C. Angle C. So now what is hypotenuse? It is hypotenuse AC. And which is perpendicular? Tell me. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means opposite to angle. Now angle we are taking C. So opposite of this one, which one side? So perpendicular is AB. Perpendicular is AB. And it is base. So don't be think base mean always downside. Perpendicular mean opposite of angle. Okay. Now you will ask, sir, you did not take angle A in the question, dear. In every question, if angle C, so which one is perpendicular? Okay. So perpendicular mean opposite of angle, opposite to angle. Understand dear? Maybe like this one. Now maybe it is given. It is A is here and B is here and C is here and C is here. Maybe and angle A. So now it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is represented by H. Okay, and opposite of angle is always perpendicular. Now it is perpendicular. It is base. Look at opposite of angle perpendicular. Opposite of angle A perpendicular. Okay. So please always remember, note down this one. Okay, note down this one. Always you have to remember opposite to 90 hypotenuse and opposite to angle is perpendicular and third side is base. It is very important. Okay, please note down it. And one more thing here, you can say that perpendicular, what you can say that perpendicular mean opposite to angle. Perpendicular opposite to angle. What you can say that? You can write side opposite to angle A. Yeah. Either you will say perpendicular or side opposite to angle A. Base, what we can say that? Side adjacent to angle A. Same as it is. It is opposite of 90. Opposite of angle is always perpendicular. Or perpendicular mean side opposite to angle. What angle we are taking here? See? So perpendicular you can say that side opposite to angle C. And it is side adjacent to angle C. So any name you can give. But no need to confuse with side opposite or side adjacent. Always remember perpendicular base and a hypotenuse. And perpendicular is always opposite to angle. Which angle we are taking? Okay dear, if angle C are taking, then perpendicular AB. Okay, if angle is A, then perpendicular is BC. It means perpendicular is changed with respect to angle. With respect to angle or not? If we are taking angle C, then perpendicular AB. If angle is A, then perpendicular BC. So perpendicular is always changed with respect to angle. Okay, please note down. Now dear, now we are going to start our exercise. Look at. Everyone know it is a right angle triangle ABC. Okay. If we are taking angle A, what is the name of this side? Side opposite to angle A, or what we can say that the side opposite to angle is always a perpendicular. Okay, and it is side adjacent to A and side with angle, it is called base. So we will use always perpendicular and base. It is only for you will understand better. Okay, and it is always hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means opposite of 90 degree dear. Okay dear, do you remember I told you one definition? What is trigonometry ratios of an angle in starting? Trigonometry ratios of an angle mean the ratios of side. Ratios of side. Look at here. Ratios of side. I am taking ratios of side. Suppose I am taking BC. BC divide by AC. It is ratio or not? Tell me, ratio or not? And I told you the ratios of the side with respect to trigonometric acute angles. Acute angles. Okay, and we are taking angle A. So suppose I am writing here, it is angle A. Only look at. Okay, look at BC by AC. BC by AC mean BC mean perpendicular. perpendicular, divide by base or not? Understand? Next is here, because we have to find how many ratios are possible. Maybe someone students BC by AC, maybe some students are take first AB divide by AC. It is also ratios of side or not? So it mean AB mean base. Sorry dear, it is AC is hypotenuse. By mistake I write AC mean hypotenuse, and it is base divided by hypotenuse. Very important dear, only look at board, look at. Now third is dear, third is one more ratio maybe, and it is also with respect to angle A. Okay dear, angle A. Third one BC, AC we already taking, AB, AC already taking. What is remain? BC and AB remain. Okay, now can I write BC divided by AB equal to, BC mean perpendicular divided by base. Any other possible? Yes, possible. Why not? It is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Can we take its opposite? Hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. Because 7:8 and 8/7 both are different or not? Different or not? So look at here. It is also angle of A. Look at here only now one thing. But we observe that one thing, every time, Anish, angle A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, angle A is equal to base by hypotenuse, angle A equal to this one. So it is meaning all ratios are equal. It's mean equal or not? Because it is also angle of A, it is also angle of A, it's mean all are equal, but it is not possible they are equal. Okay dear, because always side of right angle, it is 3, it is 4 and 5. What is the ratio? 3, first is 4 upon 5, 3 upon 5. These are same? No. So that's why dear, we will give their name. What is their name? Their name, because we identify them. How to identify? Look at. So how I am giving their name. What is? It is name is dear sine of angle A. What is meaning of sine? It is only name. Sine of angle A. Sine of angle A mean, if you are using Pridi, if sine we are using, sine mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. What we give name? Sine of what angle we are taking? A sine of angle A. Okay dear. Same as it is base by hypotenuse. We will say that cos of angle A. What we called? It is sine. Sorry, in place of cosine of angle A, and we will call its name is tangent of. Don't be confused, only look at board only 5 minutes, you will understand it very easily. Okay, so its name is sine. Only we are giving name, they are different because everyone is equal A. So it's very difficult to identify or not. So it is meaning dear nothing. It's mean whenever in any question we will take perpendicular by hypotenuse, it's mean its name is sine of angle A. Sine of angle A. Look at dear. Now 1, 2, 3, now 4. Fourth is opposite of sine. What we will write opposite of sine? It is BC divided. Here we take BC by AC. Now we will take AC by BC, and I am writing now in short form. AC mean hypotenuse. Hypotenuse mean H. Divide by BC. Perpendicular. Both are different or no? Name. So what we will give their name? Their name is dear cosec of angle A. Only their name are, I think, very bad. Okay, but don't be fear. It's very simple. One time you will read cosec of angle A. Next is opposite of this one. Opposite of this one. AB by AC we will write AC divided by AB. AC mean dear hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by base, and its name is sec. Fifth, sec of angle A. Okay, dear. Its name is secant. Sorry. Yeah, I write in short form. It is secant of angle A. Of angle A. Next is, it is opposite of this one. It is opposite of this one. Same as its opposite also or not? What is 6 point is? What is AB divided by BC? AB mean base divided by perpendicular, and its name is 6 cotangent. It is tangent. It is cotangent of angle A. Cotangent. Okay, dear. Only listen, dear. No need to be confusion, because in the starting I told you in trigonometry what we will discuss? Ratios of side with angle. Look at, if we are taking angle A, Pridhi, angle A. If we are taking BC by AC, it is also angle A. AB by AC, it is angle A. All are the same name, so we will give their different name. It means whenever we will take perpendicular divide by hypotenuse, it is named sine of angle A, because opposite of angle is always perpendicular. So what angle we are taking? Angle A. So it is sine of angle A. Okay, dear. Cosine of angle A. When we are taking base by hypotenuse, its name we will give cosine. Okay, dear. Third is maybe perpendicular by base, because there are the 6 possibilities or not. First is perpendicular and hypotenuse. Second is base and hypotenuse. Third is perpendicular and base. It is called tangent of angle A, perpendicular by base. Same as it is 3R, it's reciprocal. Reciprocal mean opposite, numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. AC is gone upside, it is come on down. So it is called cosec, it is called secant, it is called cotangent of angle A. Okay, dear. Please one time note down. Again we will do, I will tell you what is their name. Okay, again look at. And one more thing, dear, don't be confused. In our book, what is given? Look at. In our book, in place of perpendicular means side opposite to A. So in our book is given side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse is sine of angle A. So don't be confused. We will use perpendicular and base. It's very simple. Okay, in perpendicular and base, it's become simple. Okay, so note down with perpendicular and hypotenuse. Look at, note down. Now, dear. We will write, everyone know perpendicular by hypotenuse sine of angle A. Now I will give you their name in short form. Okay, abbreviation of. Everyone know what is your short form? Shahrukh Khan. What is the short name of Shahrukh Khan? SRK. Shahrukh Khan or not? This one or not? Suppose like this one, winner son dart. So what will WD? It is its short name. Okay. So same as it is, dear, I will give your name sine of angle A. Sine of angle A, you can write, dear, sine. Sin. Don't write SINE. SIN and A. A mean, dear, angle A. If it is 30 degree, so it means sine 30. And don't be think it is meaning sine multiply A. No, it is not multiply. Okay, it's mean sine of angle A. Same as it, cosine of angle A. And don't be remember, if any student write only sin, it's no meaning. Always we will write sine and with angle. What is angle we are taking? Angle A to angle A. Understand it? No need to use of notation of sine. Okay, dear? Same as it is cosine of A. We will write cos A. Cos A means base by hypotenuse. Same as it is dear, tangent A. Tangent of angle A, we will write tan and A. It means tangent of angle A, not tan multiply A. Okay, it is tan. Understand? Same as it is. Its meaning cosec. Cosec means we will write it is cosec of cosec A. Same as it is secant. Secant of A, we will write sec. SEC, sec A. Understand here? Next is here cotangent. Cotangent means we will write cot. Cot. Okay? Not cot like blazer. Okay? It is cot A. It means cotangent of angle A. There only short name. Okay, dear? Okay? So now I hope you understand it. Again I am writing here. Note down it. 1 second. Look at. Now we will use only perpendicular and base like this one here. Okay, dear? Suppose we are using, it is hypotenuse. Look at now. Now look at board. Always sine of A when we are taking angle A. Okay? Sine means opposite of angle is always perpendicular. It is perpendicular divided by, sine A is always perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Always remember. Okay, dear? First. Second is cos of A. Whenever we take perpendicular and hypotenuse, its name is sine A. Okay, don't say sin A, sine A. Okay, it means sine of angle A. Next is, if we will take base and A, base divided by hypotenuse, it's cos of A, and always write angle in capital. Okay. Next is, third is tan of A. Only you have to remember these three, and other three are you can remember automatically. What is tan mean? What is remain? Perpendicular divide by base. Look at here now. Look at fourth. Opposite of sine. Always remember cosec. Opposite of sine, cosec. COC, cosec of A. What is opposite? Hypotenuse divide by perpendicular. Same as it is. Opposite of cos, sec. Always remember name. Sine, cosec. Cos, sec. Sec of A. Hypotenuse divide by base. Next is 6. Opposite of tan, cot. Cot of A is base divided by perpendicular. Okay, dear? Note down these. Always remember they are. Dekho, look at sine and cosec opposite. Cos and sec. Tan and cot. Sine mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine A mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos mean base by hypotenuse. And tangent perpendicular by base. Up, and these three you can write from them. Okay? Opposite or not? Okay, dear? And one more thing, it's very important. Now also, if you have not remember, it's a very short trick. Look at here. Yes, do you know? Tell me, do you anytime go to Shillong? In Shillong is a very famous place. Do you know? Police Bazaar point. Its name or not in Shillong? Police Bazaar पॉइंट, और पुलिस बाजार पॉइंट में बेटा कैसे बिस्किट मिलते हैं? डू यू नो? पुलिस बाजार पॉइंट पर हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट मिलते हैं। हाउस बिस्किट, हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट। पुलिस बाजार पॉइंट हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट, साइन कोस्टेंट। पुलिस बाजार पॉइंट हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट। तो साइन मीन परपेंडिकुलर बाई हाइपोटेनस, परपेंडिकुलर बाई हाइपोटेनस। कोस मीन बेस डिवाइड बाई हाइपोटेनस। टेन मीन perpendicular by base. But one more thing you have to remember, and the rest three are opposite. Sine, opposite of sine, cosec. So cosec mean hypotenuse by perpendicular. Opposite of cos, sec, hypotenuse by base. Opposite of tan, cot, base by perpendicular. So remember always this formula if you have any confusion. What is? पुलिस बाजार पॉइंट हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट। पुलिस बाजार पॉइंट पर हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट मिलते हैं और उसको बोलते हैं साइन कोस टेन। उसको किसने लिया? हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट को किसने खरीदा? हु बॉट द हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट? साइन कोस और टेन ने। ओके, पुलिस बाजार पॉइंट पर हैप्पी हैप्पी बिस्किट साइन कोस टेन बॉट। ओके, bought by sin cos 10. Sin cos 10. If you read 3 times sin cos 10, sin cos 10, always remember police bazaar point. So sin mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos mean base by hypotenuse. Tan mean perpendicular by base. And rest 3 are opposite. If you remember only these 6, you can solve the exercise 8.1 yourself. And one more thing is always remembered here. If I write, look at only last point. If I write here sin C, if we write here A, so angle what we are taking? A. If I write angle C, sin mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. And if we are taking angle is C, then opposite of angle it is become perpendicular. It is not base. Now it is perpendicular and it is base. It is base or not? When we are taking angle, always remember angle. Now if we are taking angle C, and what I told you, what angle we are taking? Opposite of angle is always perpendicular. Sine mean perpendicular. Perpendicular how much? AB divide by hypotenuse. AC. So sin C is AB by AC. But sin A is BC divided by AC. Both are different or not? So don't be confused with angle. Always focus on angle. What angle is asked by the examiner? Okay? And one more. So you have to think only one thing. Opposite of angle is always hypotenuse. Okay, and here we discuss angle A, so it is perpendicular. Our point happy biscuit and sin cos 10. Always remember, note down it here. Now we will start first question. Now dear, question number 1. Only one question we will do. Okay dear, in triangle ABC, right angled at a B. It means at B it is 90 degree. AB is 2, BC is 7, and determine. Find sin A. We have to find angle A. So look at here. Not necessary we will take angle A is here, C is here. No need. You can take here C also and A is also here. And we want to find sin A. Sin A mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is always opposite of angle. Opposite of angle 7. Divide by hypotenuse AC. But AC we don't know. So first we will find AC. AC how can you find? Do you remember? It is a right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem. By the 7th class, whenever if one angle is 90 given, we will use, right, using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? If you don't know, remember. Okay, note down it. Formula Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square is equal to, h means hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of whose square of other two side. Other two side mean one perpendicular, one base. One perpendicular, one base. Perpendicular plus base square. Yes, one hypotenuse, one perpendicular and one base. So hypotenuse we want to find what is AC square, dear. Yes, perpendicular. Perpendicular. What angle? Angle A. So what is BC square? Otherwise, no need to write perpendicular. You can write direct by using Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square. AC square is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides plus AB square. Look at now. AC square we want to find equal to BC. BC is 7 square plus AB. AB is 2 square. Now AC square 49 plus 4. It's right. 24. It is 24 given. Okay, by mistake, because there is some misprinting in my book. It is 24, dear. Okay, so it is 24, dear, and 24 square. Remember square root, very important. 576. AC square equal to 625. We want to find AC. So it's therefore we have to remove square. How can we remove? By taking square root both side. So square root both side. Otherwise direct you can write a number whose square is 625. What is 25 and minus 25 also, both are possible, but side of a triangle always is positive. Okay, because 25 square 625 and minus 25 square also, because square of negative number always positive. So it means that's why we did not take minus, because the side of triangle always is positive here. Okay, otherwise AC square root both side, like this one you can write. So it is square cancel to square root. It is AC. So it is AC is 25 centimeter. Now yes, it's finished. Now finish our question. What is given? So first look at here. First we want to find sin A. So first you will write right formula. Sin A is, sin mean dear perpendicular divided by hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular. And what I told you, look at now, very important, sin A. What is angle? A. So opposite of angle, it is a perpendicular now, and it is meaning it is base, and it is hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? 25, and hypotenuse Azad, it is 7. So what is sin A? Sin A answer is 25 by 7. Yes, it is in the first definition, ratios of side with angle. Okay, same as it is Anish. We will find cos A. Cos mean base by hypotenuse. So cos A is, base is how much? 24 divided by 25. Understand it? Note down it, dear. Okay, dear? Note down it. Yes, dear. It will come 7 by 25. Okay, by mistake I write it 7 because perpendicular is 7. Note down it. Now dear, B part of the first question. Find sin C and cos C. Now angle is C. Yes. No need to find again using this one. We have already find in the first question all three side or not. So no need to find. So it is no need to, this one. And now look at here. Now we want to find. Now it is. Now we want to find sin C. Now what is angle? C. And if angle it is C, opposite of angle is always perpendicular. Now it is perpendicular. But in the first part it was base. So what is its come? AB is how much? AB is, I think, AB is 7 or 24. 24 given or not? And it is given. It is base. Base is 7. We 7 na? Okay. Now sin C. Sin mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. So देखो now perpendicular is 24 by 25. Look at here sin 7 by 25. Here sin 24 by. Why? Because angle is changed. Because of angle was changed. Okay. Same as it is here. Cos C. Cos C mean base by hypotenuse. Now base is 7 and it's very interesting. Cos becomes sin 7 by 25 and sin become cos. Okay dear. So always dear you have to focus on angles. Okay dear. And do yourself second question, third question, question number 4. Same as it is you have to do, and I will take its problem of question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 on Tuesday. Please watch the video. It's very important here. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Have a nice day.